Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, plus a good quality broth. Don't forget your protein, perhaps chicken or lentils. Make sure you have a large pot ready, along with a sharp knife and a sturdy cutting board. Selecting ingredients that work well together is key to a delicious soup. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions, carrots, and celery, often called mirepoix. Sauté these until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in minced garlic and your favorite dried herbs, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Now it's time to add the liquid. Pour in your chosen broth, ensuring all vegetables are submerged. If you're using harder vegetables like potatoes or a protein like chicken, add them now. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering partially. Let it cook until all ingredients are tender, which usually takes 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, for the finishing touches. If you're adding delicate ingredients like fresh spinach, a swirl of cream, or chopped fresh herbs, stir them in during the last few minutes. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or other spices to your liking. Ladle your delicious homemade soup into bowls and serve it hot, perhaps with some crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.